everything is like amazing and awesome and fabulous and just like you feel like you're just the queen of the world. Hey my classy ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started with today's video, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. As well, don't forget to turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss another video. Okay, so in today's video, it is going to be how I achieve these beautiful pink lovely nails that matches my shirt perfectly. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is my lovely nails. I'm going to give you guys a close-up here so you can see. They are actually press-ons. I know it doesn't look like it, does it? They are actually press-on, and I'm going to show you guys how I actually apply these press-ons and the technique that I use so they can stay on for 3 weeks. I will be showing you guys a video on that as I did record it. I just wanted to give you guys to show you guys how it looked actually on my full body, because in the video I'm only showing my hands and I'm not showing anything else, and I'm showing you exactly how I applied them and the steps that I took to apply them. So but I actually wanted to physically show you guys how it looks on my hands, actually how it's looking besides just actually showing just only my hands. So that's why I'm actually showing you guys this. I really love it because, as you guys know, pink is my favorite color, and I'm also a nurse, so I cannot really wear long nails. So this size is perfect for me because I work a lot with my hands. So these press-ons is absolutely perfect for me, and the way that I do my press-on, they usually stay on for 3 weeks, so or a little bit longer depending. See me, I work a lot with my hands, so that's why it really just lasts 3 weeks for me. But if you are a person that don't really work with your hands, the technique that I'm going to show you guys, it will last way longer. But me, I'm always washing my hands, I'm always working with my hands, so it is, you know, it only gonna last 3 weeks for me. But I wanted to show you guys how exactly I achieved these beautiful pink lovely girly nails, and I love them so much, and I just feel like I am a beautiful pink princess. I feel like I'm a beautiful pink princess, and I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved them. I know I'm always doing a lot of try-on hauls, but I also want to give you guys other type of videos, the things that I love to do, which you guys know is also hair and makeup and beautiful nails. I just love to do things like that. Anything that's with fashion and anything that's girly, I just love doing it from the bottom of my heart. So I also just want to give you guys other things of me besides just always doing try-on hauls. I love doing my try-on hauls. I know you guys enjoy watching that too, but I want to show you guys other things too. So yes, so if you really like these, then stay tuned to continue to look at the video and see how I achieve these beautiful bubbly pink nails. And yeah, there you have it. I feel like, don't you know when you get your nails done, you just feel like, I don't know, that everything is like amazing and awesome and fabulous, and just like you feel like you're just the queen of the world. achieved it. So I will attach the video to this video. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this press on videos that will last for 3 weeks. Or let me know if you don't like it. You want me to do more try on hauls. Let me in, because I always say I'm feeding off you guys' energy. So let me in. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, guess what? I'll see you guys in the next freaking video.